The only way to win is to attack, and this is one of my positions. I played with a strong opponent. 2350 was his elo rating. Here I had white pieces and I had to attack, right? I had to attack to do something. I didn't play the most accurate moves, but I played this one, f5, try to open up more lines for my rook and pieces. So he played knight takes e5, pawn takes here, knight on d7. I continue extremely aggressively. It wasn't the best actually. What you're going to do here? And the best move is to capture on e6, try to create a weakness there, try to relocate the bishop. This is maybe the best, but I played this move f6. f6 try to destroy his king side position, and now he just captures there. He takes f6, knight takes f6, and now I played e4, try to open up more lines and do something against his king side. And in blitz games, this strategy is extremely strong, extremely good, because if you create attacking chances, if you press your opponent, then you can win. Now he just captured there with a knight, a natural move, try to exchange some pieces. I capture with the knight, d takes e4, I give this check. Of course, it's important to keep the queens on the board, because with queen we can try to create some mating threats. So I give this check, king h8 and bishop to h6. I bring more and more pieces against his king side. He played this move, queen h5. The idea is here to attack on f7, and now after f5 he played f5 to protect that pawn. I played rook a d1, try to attack the queen. He played this check, intermediate check, so I can't capture his queen. King went here, queen f6, and now rook to d7. Believe it or not, he played a very bad mistake here. He has to play queen to e8 actually, try to exchange queens, but after queen f6 his position is close to losing here, and I played rook to d7. I'm attacking the bishop, but not only the bishop, I had something else in mind, and here the only move is queen to g6 actually, try to do something about my queen. This is the best defense, but he played a careless move, bishop to c6. He's attacking my rook, and now it's a puzzle for you. What we are going to do here with white? Please try to pause the video and think. It's white's turn, and we can create a mating threat here, a mating net, because a lot of squares are controlled around the enemy king. I already created a training program, explain all the mating motifs. It's extremely important for you to know the mating motifs. Litzes has something about that, but he has approximately 30 or 50, maybe more, I don't know, 20 maybe. He has a lot of mating motifs, and it could be a little confusing to know all of them. So I separate them in 10 key categories, so you can understand and find easily what to do and recognize the ideas extremely fast. So if you follow my training program, you can find the solutions, you can find the ideas very quickly, and after that you can train them, because I found a test. I have the practice there, so you can practice all these motifs. But right now let's focus on this one. It's white's turn here, and what you're going to do. And you can start with checks, of course. We can capture a pawn, but this is not important. I played this move, rook takes f7, and he resigned actually here, because after king takes we have a discover attack. And then another very important tactical element, I played bishop to f8, extremely important, because I'm controlling that square. His only move is now queen to h6, and after that I can deliver checkmate, right, with the queen. So I hope you enjoyed this this short video, and after rook d7 you can see we have a lot of opportunities. The best was to play something like queen to g6, and now we have a draw actually. White can find this move, sacrificing the queen, and after this we have the deadly check here on e5, extremely important check, and after the only move, rook e7, we can capture with the rook there, threatening a lot of discovered checks. So he has to play this one, try to distract the bishop. We have bishop here, and he can continue cheesing this, attacking this rook. So we have this check here and check again, so we have the perpetual. This is one line, but actually he played the careless move, and after that I hope you find rook takes f7. If you enjoyed that video, you're very welcome to click the thumbs up button and follow the link below in order to see more details about the training program. Thank you very much and see you soon.